Inter-African wild dogs are highly social animals that live in packs of 6 to 20 members. They are known for their mottled fur and large ears. Their diet mainly consists of medium-sized ungulates, like impalas and gazelles, which they hunt using endurance and teamwork. Wild dogs can live up to 10 years in the wild. Females give birth to 2 to 20 pups, which are cared for by the entire pack. They inhabit savannas and open woodlands in sub-Saharan Africa. Conservation efforts are crucial, due to their endangered status caused by habitat loss and disease.